So Kanye is bashing Adidas on social media these days and is set to cut ties with them. The pair I'll be talking about today is one of those few reasons why Kanye is beefing with Adidas. Hey guys, I'm the Bijit Vani and today I'll be talking about AdiFom Q. Yeah. Now before I talk about the pair, I can't lie. When Kanye said that Adidas is cleaning his designs and making their own versions, I was like, nah, Kanye is stripping. Because Adidas slides and Yeezy slides look nothing like each other. But when I got AdiFoms in hand, my opinion has definitely changed. These do have resemblance of foam runners, so much that when the leak started, people thought that these are foam runners 2.0. Although Adidas is claiming that these are inspired by Adidas Quake, which were released back in 2001. So starting from the box, it is nothing special but a normal Adidas original box and it retails around 9,000 rupees. Now actually talking about the pair, it is made up of two parts, which is the exterior, which actually looks like foam runner when the interior is removed, and the interior, which is made up of the split layer and Adidas sole. Now the exterior definitely looks like the bone helmet that Cubone the Pokemon used to wear on his head. It definitely resembles the foam runners, but it is different in terms of textures and feel. While if we talk about the front of the AdiFoms, it has smoother texture as compared to the sides. Now talking about the sides, it has these cutouts which are actually inspired from the AdiQuake which was released in 2001. Now on the top we have these laces which actually help to hold the exterior and the interior together. Now on the back we have this Adidas Originals logo and Adidas logo embossed in the foam. Now talking about the outsole, it definitely carries the whole design that is on the shoe, but the traction parts are actually beige in color and it also has a cutout for the Adidas sole on the interiors. Now talking about the interior, it is made up of this pine knit material and the sole is made up of this squishy foam and uses Adidas technology. The upper has some orange accents and the tongue is made up of really soft material and also has this orange Adidas original logo. The upper has this extra padding on the back. There are few more colorways which are surfaced online and I will put them on screen for your reference. Now some on-feet clips. Now some clips of how I would like to style them.
Audio Jungle.
So that's it from the styling and the review part. If you liked what you saw and would like to watch more of such content, maybe consider liking and subscribing to the channel. And if you haven't watched my entire sneaker collection, maybe go and have a look and I'll see you.